All right, gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Hope everybody had a fantastic day today. Um, gold retesting all-time highs or about to. Nasdaq dropping as well. A lot of movement in the market today. So let's do our top-down analysis, right? And we'll get right to it, right? We got a candle closure coming up in about 10 minutes. So this is the gold chart on the daily time frame. This is what I want to point out. We had this resistance level, right? And notice how the previous daily candle closed above. So we got a break of resistance here. We did get this bottom wick. I think gold is gonna make a run up, right? I'm still waiting for a slight pullback that we might find in the smaller time frames, but let's take a look and see what we can find. But this is key right here. We have a support level down here, and we have this level down here. So doesn't look like gold is gonna retest this low here that it made it. This was the correction to the upside here, and now we broke back up and broke resistance here. So we got a clean break. Now we're just waiting for a little bit of a pullback, right? And then we should take out these highs. And I think we didn't get the all-time high. We missed it by like what did we miss it by? Well, by like 2 pips. But yeah, pretty much came right back up to the all-time highs. But yeah, we should see a new all-time high this week. Looks like, we did get the break here, so we'll see. All right, so let's drop it to the 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame, a level here, and we did get the closure above, and then this 4-hour candle just made this pullback. Right now we're kind of trading back in the range on the 4-hour time frame, and coming right in here. But if we get a closure above here, that'll confirm that break of this resistance here. Let me get a more accurate, because this is important to get all right. So yeah, we're kind of tapping right into that resistance here, but kind of a fake out off the 4-hour and then pull back down. But the daily did close below, so I'm expecting this impulsive move up. This was a correction. We should see the continuation to the upside. So I'll be looking for buys today on gold. Let's drop it to the 1-hour, right? So on the 1-hour, we had this little minor resistance here that we're currently breaking above, but there's an issue, right? Look at this issue. No bottom wick on the 1-hour. Not a good move, right? That's the case. This thing can rip up, and I would more likely than not then wait for that break of the 4-hour the 1-hour resistance here. So we'll wait for this to pull up, but I would have preferred. So now with the new 4-hour candle, right, is going to close bullish. And if we get that bullish closure, then on the next candle, I would expect a pullback, a bottom wick, and then the flip, right? Especially to come down and make a bottom wick for this 1-hour candle. Our support level currently is right here. So we're in this small little range here, and we are breaking out. First, well, this level here is what I'm looking at. So this little support resistance level here kind of pulled back, and now we're kind of pushing up. So I think that I'm gonna make this bottom wick, hopefully, right? Because I don't want to jump in here with no bottom wick. Yeah, but let's wait and see how it closes. All right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq right quick. Let's go to the daily time frame on the Nasdaq. Wow, this. All right. Excuse me. All right, let's mark up this trend line. I'm gonna do this trend line action here. All right, I'll do it like this. Just move my chart. It's annoying. There we go. Goodness, here's with this line here. All right, right off the wick there, and then we'll hit you like this. All right, so we got that. And then we have this one. It's unbelievable. I'm trying to grab this line here, but it's not moving. All right, let me just do it like this then. I have to do it like that. All right, so we're in this channel here, right? And we're on the way up. So we tested here, came up, missed it by a little bit, but kind of range. We're waving right in here. But I think if we get a push up, then we're gonna get the continuation to the downside. This is off the daily, but I think that we are looking to break down on the smaller time frames, and that's what I'm expecting. So let me delete those trend lines. That was just want to show you that off the daily, but off the 4 hour here, let's take a look here. All right, so clearly we have our resistance here. We have resistance here. So once we rip down after making these highs up here, we rip down, and now we're in this trading in this range here, right? Look at this range we were in here that we broke out of, came back down, and we did close below, but we're slightly ranging in here. Now we're kind of breaking back below. But you can see that support here, support, and then we, slightly broke below, pulled up, but now we're trickling down. What's important is that this 4 hour candle closed below. This one pushed up, took out the highs, and came back and flipped bearish and closed below. Now this candle pulled down, but again, no top wick, right? So maybe the next candle, this one closes bearish, we might get a push up on the next candle, make a top wick, and then we'll catch the flip back down. So I'm expecting the NASDAQ to drive down here. I'm expecting it to reach these levels down here. But yeah, it's gonna come down and tap this level here. If we remain below this area here, right, we're gonna get a push down. That's my prediction on the NASDAQ, right? After 1 hour, yeah, we still have that key level of support. I'll even trickle it down here on the 1 hour, right here. And then we broke below, broke back above. Now we closed below on the previous 1 hour, right? And now we're still trading below it. Let's see, we close this candle, close in the next 2 minutes, closes below. We can see a top wick on the next candle, right? And then the flip. So let's see how it plays out, right? But a lot of opportunities in the market tonight. I just want to see how this is gonna move here. We gotta keep an eye on this here. Move it to the 4 hour. Get rid of this level here. See, we're tapping into what was the let me just want to draw that line there just for guidance, right? So we're tapping into this previous resistance that we broke out of previously, but goes back below. So I want to see if this is going to reject again from here. You see, we might get that rejection here, right? And close below that level. And then if we come down and retap the range, that'll not only make the bottom wick, but we'll retest the support level here and, possibly even break below, if we do. Or we could just make a wick and then reflip up. Either way, I'll probably be looking for a buy entry right in this area here if we get that push down on the next candle. Now we break above, we get a confirmed closure above this level here, then, we could probably be looking to continue up. But again, I want a bottom wick because we don't have a bottom wick on this current 1 hour, and I don't like that. It looks like we're slightly, it looks like we might close above. 30 seconds left here, gang. Let's see. So we did get a closure above that level. All right. We got the closure above, then it ripped. Oh, there goes the bottom wick. All right, let's see. Let's see how steep this wick is gonna be, because I might take a wick entry here, gang. I want a steeper bottom wick. All right. I want to see if we can tap. Remember this resistance here I was talking about before we ripped up? See if it'll come this far. Maybe even wick down here, make this bottom wick. Hey, Fluidity, what's up, man? Yeah, listen, I wouldn't put it past, but we did close below. We broke below this support here. But yeah, Nasdaq is definitely bullish. We're kind of stuck in this range after we made the breakdown. This fake out here though came down here, then ripped back up. So we came to this support level here. Yeah, look at that, tap right into it. Look at this, off the 1 hour, right? See this support that formed here before we ripped up? It came and tapped right into that and got rejected, but it failed to break the highs here, right? So if you look at this level here that it formed today, right? If you look at this level here, so once we made that big push down, came up and formed this resistance, right? Then broke below this previous support, then tapped into this one, right? Rejected, but didn't take out these highs, right? And now it's trickling back down. And as you can see, it closed back below this support. So at the moment, price action is indicating that it is looking to drop down, but um, apparently we have the Taiwan semiconductor report coming out the early morning hours. So yeah, if that report is good, which it's expected to be good, they're saying, this could drive Nas all the way back up. So you might be right. All right, let's take a look here, gang. Yeah, if this candle would have had a bottom wick, I would have probably been in here off the rib. I want to see if we can get at least a candle to tap this level here, because I'm interested in gold buys right now. I think gold is gonna take out these highs up here. How many pips is this right here? Let's see, 20, 24 pips. Dang, I think I want to get in this buy here. How's that look on the 4 hour? Yeah, 4 hour close strong bullish. I'm debating here. All right, let's wait and see. But yeah, it's a super strong bullish movement. See the daily. What gets me is the daily. Right, daily already has this bottom wick. Daily already took out this resistance level here. So this could really continue to push up here. Oh, you took buys at what 2.6? What was that at down here? Oh, you got in. You got in here on this right off this candle. Wow, so you're already in the blue here. You're running 30 pips, my friend. The market always doesn't do what you want it to, but it's a pretty decent wick here. Yeah, I was hoping it'll pull back to like about 2.676, and then we can take our buy entries there. Let's see if we get that pullback. If it runs, gang. Or at least like 2.677. I want to, if we can pull back and re-break slow right here and just pull down a little bit, I'll probably take the wick entry there. Yeah, no bottom wick here. That's what killed me, because if this would have had a bottom wick, I would have gotten in off this wick here. But you know, we barely even got a top wick on this candle either. In fact, let me use this. I might consider getting in here, gang. Right, I'm gonna have a buy limit here at 2677.30. It's gonna be my entry if we pull back here. This again. Right here. And my TP is gonna be at the wick fill up here. I would say 2688. This set on my. Okay, it's set. All right. Yeah, I'm in there. All right. Yeah, I got a buy limit at 2677.30. Right at this level right here where it kind of formed that minor resistance. Can pull down. I'll get activated there. If we get some drawdown here, it's fine. It's only about a 28 pip drawdown to get a wick down here. But this thing can just kind of pull down a little bit and then reflip. But I definitely think we're on our way up here. I'll say now I'm not activated yet. I just want to see once I get activated. You guys know. Almost 3 pips away from activation here, gang. I was gonna pull back up. Did I get activated? Nope. Not yet. All right, I'm activated here, gang. Let me take a look real quick. What? Oh, is it frozen? Nope, I'm activated. Took a while. Yeah, I'm activated here, gang. So I'm in this trade already. I'll just move this over and adjust it for you guys. Yeah. So I took a buy at 2677.30. And yeah, that will stay the same. All right. We're running about five pips in profit. Let's see if this thing can move. All right, we're running 10 pips. Well, 9 pips. Sorry, 9 pips in profit. See, it came back down and rebroke its low, made a steeper wick, and then it flipped. Now, let's see if we continue to move up. Again, I'm keeping an eye on this bottom wick that this candle needs here. So it could happen on this candle here, or we can run up and then later on it can come down and make that wick. But that's the only reason why my stops are a little bit wider than usual. We got about 73 pip stops here. Not the norm for me, but I want to give it room to make this wick. So we're got a little bit more risk, but once we run up to 20 pips, I'll be going break even. Yeah, so we're running 10 pips now in profit, gang. What's the NASDAQ doing? Is it coming down? Yeah, you see it broke, came back. We got the break, retest. This thing can already made a top wick. This thing could start driving down. The NASDAQ breaks this support here, right here. Resistance here, support here, wick right into it. If we come back down and break that, yeah, 19,700 is the next target down here. So we'll see. It's hard to really get in it at this point. I mean, it's not a bad sell here. The issue with me is that we got some news coming out tonight. It'll be a little tricky. Let's focus on gold. Where's gold at? All right. What's the 4 hour? Nah, no top wick here. Yeah. It could drive down, but no top wick is not good. That's just me. You guys want to take this sell? It really doesn't look bad. The previous 4 hour closed below the support here. So we got the break. Now we made a top wick to retest, and it's starting to come down. It's not a bad trade. I would have wanted this to come up and make a wick up here. It would have come up, made a top wick for this previous candle, and then flip bearish. I would have been in. It could still happen though. We'll wait and see. How are we looking over here? All right, not looking bad. Yeah, I'm up about 100, 105, 104. Yeah, I'm up right around 90 some dollars there. You can see on the top right corner there. All right. Let's see if this thing can run up. There we go. You can push up and re-break the highs there. Be gone. Let me get rid of this line here. I want to clean up the screen a little bit. Clean the charts up. Yeah, it looks better like that. Once we go up 20 pips, I'm going break even, gang. We'll pull back down here. See if there's any updates on gold here. Let's take a look. All right. All right, go steady. Early Asian trade ahead of key U.S. economic data due later today. That's right. We have news today. Oh, tomorrow morning. Here's the. Oops. Trying to see. Yeah, core retail sales, unemployment claim. Yeah, tomorrow morning. So yeah, we have a lot of news tomorrow. But this is what's key here. Ongoing geopolitical tensions. All that nonsense going on over the Middle East. That was I think it was it's gonna drive all the way up. It's gonna make new all-time highs. We might get some volume too. The next 2 or 3 minutes. 9:30 gives us some volume sometimes, maybe closer to 10 o'clock as well. We're gonna push up and secure some profits. Yeah, this was a clean break, retest. I feel like the NASDAQ come down, at least to fill the range down here. Gold is just stalling right in that entry there. I would like a bullish closure though on this candle when it closes up. That would be key, but see if it wants to come down and make a steeper wick. Bitcoin is pumping too. This move on Bitcoin, creeping up, it's coming back down a little bit now, but made a nice move to the upside. Yeah, it kind of goes up here. Wow, 60, 68.3, 68.4. Not bad. Not a bad move for Bitcoin. Just 30 moved up today. S&P, slight move, but look at the S&P making this a little staircase here. This could be a black pattern for the S&P. Keep running up. All right, we're on the way up now. Go right back down. Goldie, Goldie. All right, we're up. Go up 20 pips. I'll go break even. We're up about 17 pips at the moment. All right, we're up 20 pips, gang. I'm going break even here. 20 pips profit. 20 pips profit. Let me see how this is looking over here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm running about 230 bucks in profit here. All right. I'm gonna shave partials here too as well, gang. All right, we're risk free on this trade, man. It's house money now. Yeah, we're running on this one. Yeah, gang, we're running 25 pips. 25 pips profit. I already closed partials. I'm holding a runner here, gang. Great trade, gang. Great trade. Yeah, gang, I closed partials at 22 pips when it pushed up. So I took 22 pips. I closed 50% of my position, holding a small runner. Excuse me, holding a small runner at this point. Yeah. You push up to this resistance, I'll shave off another partial and hold a smaller runner. Yeah, gang. There we go. Yeah. We're running about 40 pips now. Yeah. All right, gang. I'm gonna close another partial profit on this one here. All right, gang. I shaved off another partial, holding a small runner. I close about 80% of my position here, gang. So yeah, my computer's loving nuts. Beautiful trade, gang. Yeah. All right, let's see if we run here. Yeah, we're running 40 pips as of right now. 40 pips profit. Yeah, I closed partials at 22 pips, then took my other half at 40 pips. So, yeah, it's house money, gang. Now we're just running. If we break through this resistance here, the reason why I shaved off another half of the partials is because, we might get some rejection here. And remember, no bottom wick here. So this could come up and reject, come down, and then we can get the break later on. But if this candle, continue to push up, if we get a closure above in the next 15 minutes, we're going to run up. That all-time high is going to come sooner than you think. But if we start getting rejection at this level here, let's see. If we close below, I'll just close full of my position there, and then, I'll call it a stream there. But then tomorrow, we might be waking up to some all-time highs tomorrow. But yeah, we ran 41 pips. I think we peaked at. Now we're kind of pulling back a little bit here. Like I said, you see how it's coming up to this level here and starting to kind of push back. Yeah, but I closed 80% of my position, made my profits for the night, got a small runner open. See if it's going to run up. But if this candle closes above here, breaks that resistance, yeah, this thing's gone. We'll probably break, make another retest, and then start trickling up. We might hit 2,700 by the end of this week. Fluidity, make sure you shave some partials, my man. Make sure you always secure your bag, bro. You can hold, or at the very least go break even, brother. Just keep that in mind. Don't let this thing run without making those adjustments, because you don't want to risk this thing bouncing down and ripping back down. If it comes down to make this wick, that's right around your entry here. Yeah, beautiful trade. Yeah, peaked at 40. Oh, 43 pips. Sorry. Yeah, peaked about 43 pips. It made the wick. You see, I used this as the entry earlier. That's why I have marked this right here. And we took our entry right there. I wanted it to tap. I wanted to come down and make the bottom wick, but sometimes we don't get that steep of a wick. And I was willing to hold the drawdown. That's why my stops were a little bit steeper than usual. But again, right, we did break this resistance level here. We got a strong, bullish, overpowering candle on the 1 hour, closed above this level. So it made complete sense to wait for the bottom wick. And on the flip, we got in on, took that wick entry there. And, we definitely capitalize on the opportunities. If it runs, right? But again, we already secured our profits. So I advise you guys to do the same if you haven't done so. Because again, remember, we're tapping into this resistance right here. Right there. And we kind of like almost wicked into it. And sometimes it can push up and get rejected back down. I mean, for all I know, this 1 hour candle in the next 12 minutes can flip bearish, right? We wouldn't really know, but if we're gonna see the run up now during Asia and like have gold push up before pre-London, we would need to close above this level. But if we remain below, next candle could still break, but I feel like if we get a rejection here, then we're gonna start pulling back and come back up, pull back down, and it might range a little bit. Remember, we have this level to break here. Yeah, gang. Gang, if you took this trade with me, type a W in the chat there. Let's get that going here. W's in the chat, my friends. Solid profits tonight. Got a 43 pip gold buy on stream tonight, which is fantastic. Just another win. And yeah, I'm definitely expecting gold to. I mean, gold's probably gonna rip this. I put the TPs up here, expecting to grab the wick, make the all-time high, and then we might come back down and retest. If all that happens, and then I see this pullback after re-breaking the all-time high here, you know, I'll look for more buy opportunities if we get that pullback, you know, right, to retest this resistance level here. Yeah. Yeah, good job, Fluidity. That's the way to do it, bro. There we go. Listen, 10 minutes left on this candle. We're ripping. But this thing is still running here. Let's go. Yeah, we ripping right now. Gang, if this trade closes, I mean, this candle closes above in 10 minutes, we're in good shape. You see, we're getting rejected. If we do break above, gang, I will say this: if we close without a top wick, I'm closing my runner. I'll close full positions there. But if we close with a top wick and above that range there, that resistance, yeah, I'll hold that runner. Is NAS pulling up too, or remember there was no? Yeah, you see the Nasdaq now. I mean, these two candles, that not much volume. Of course, it is the Asia session, but I'm skeptical about this. I mean, it really looks like it wants to come down, but not only news, but it's also the bearish momentum here. You know, see, look, the bullish momentum. Once we rip down, this candle shot up in a heartbeat. Just took all the gains back from the sell. You know, we kind of been ranging, but we closed above. Now we closed back below, so it's kind of price action is not the greatest here. But to me, it does look bearish because we didn't re-break this high. For me to go bullish on the Nasdaq, we have to close above this level here. We start pulling back up and close above here, breaking that resistance, then I'll definitely look for the buys up. You know, we might look at this. Once we break this, there's nothing holding us back. There's no resistance levels to up here. So this is the level you want to break right here around that 20,250. You break 20,250, you're good to go. But if you remain below here, then we might trickle back down to fill this range here. All right. It's all about this candle closure, gang. Gang, if you're tuning in now, we took buys on gold. Entry was 2677.30. We are break even on this trade. We're running about 40, 43 pips, 40, 44 pips. Now we're battling with this resistance. Yeah, there we go. Right, I'm going to stick around for candle closure. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, we're clearly breaking the level at this point. We got about 6 minutes left, 7 minutes left. But I'll tell you this right now, like I said before, I'm going to need a top wick on this candle. What do we keep? Yeah, wow. Yeah, we peaked at 51 pips. 51 pips profit on this trade. But it's good like this, you know. When you take the risk off the table, you're comfortable. You secure some profits. You know, you got your partials in the bag. You take that, secure that, and the runner's just a bonus. You know, the runner, we let it run. If it pulls back, you know, we don't lose. But if it runs, hey, it can give you some more profits, right? I mean, what's my runner looking like? I had a small runner here. My runner's, yeah, it's not doing bad. Let me show you guys. I'm up 93 bucks on my runner. I think it's at a, what am I? At a 0.20 lot. And it's running like 90 bucks. Not bad, you know? Yeah, gang. 57 pips in profit right now. 5 minutes to candle closure, and we're above the range here. It's looking good, guys. Looking real good to hit target. We're about 50, 55 pips from target. This is good. At take profit, this would be about 100 pips. Yeah. 107 pips to be exact. Ooh, going back down. Is it gonna fail to break, gang? Wow. We got a nice push up, but got rejected back down. Yeah, we close below. I'll close my runner, but if we close just like this, top wick, nice clean break, I'm definitely holding my positions because we're gonna run up. So we got about 2 minutes 30 seconds left on this candle, gang. All right, 2 minutes. Yeah, Goldie. Gold running up today. What are we running here? 54 pips. Fluidity, you making bank, bro. Your entry was your entry was like down here somewhere. You caught this break, not even this break. You caught the flip here. Wait, 27. Where was it? 7 for dang, yeah, bro. Yeah, you got him when this candle closed bullish. You took the entry right there. Nice. Man, you taking it right now, bro. All right, we got 55 seconds, gang. Looking good to close above, right? But we have to wait and see. Oh, man, come on. Give me a top wick, bro. Come on, gold. Need a top wick here, though, gang. Yeah, let's see. Oh, 2674. Yeah, that was your entry down there for sure. You got in over here. Crazy. Oh, there we go. Let's pull down a little bit from. We got a top wick there already. 10 seconds. 4, 3. Ooh, come on. Give me a top wick. Oh, no top wick. Gold, you're killing me. Is there a top wick there? No top wick, gang. All right, gang. I'm gonna close my positions here. Close full. Gold played me. All right, I close my runner there. I close full. Not too bad. Not too bad though. Yeah, not bad though. My runner gave me 125 bucks. Not bad, gang. Yeah, it's not bad. I profit about 400 bucks on that trade total. Yeah, pretty good, gang. Yeah, you see, no top wick here. Just it's killer, man. It's killer. Can't risk my profits at that point. But doesn't mean it's not gonna run up. But the probabilities now, this thing can come back down. No top wick, no bottom wick down here. So, but it's good. Gang, we had a great run. I closed my partials, the runner, I'm sorry, all the way up here. So yeah, bro, we ran 60 pips. Yeah, it's running up now, you see, but I'm good. 60 pips total tonight, gang. Great trade, great session, short and sweet. Again, shout out to Fluidity for the heads up. For my platform members, right? Tomorrow we will be trading the New York session. Keep an eye out, excuse me, for that the semiconductor data that's coming out in the early morning hours. So we might see the NASDAQ either rally up or drop down. If that report comes back good, which they're expecting it to, I think the NASDAQ is going to make a run up. Keep an eye on that 20,250 level on NASDAQ. We get a closure above there on the 1 hour. Yeah, we're running. So, yeah, gang. Always a pleasure. I appreciate all of you guys hanging out. And we'll be back here tomorrow, right? Yeah, there's the pullback there I was talking about. So good thing I got out with my profits, right? Everyone have a great night. God bless. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Peace out.